Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new YouTube setup. Now this is supposed to be a video for next week, however my things came early, so I decided to show you guys this week, and I promise, pinky promise, there will be a DIY video next week. I really wanted to do a DIY video this week, however these things I want to show you guys because they're so awesome. So I will be linking everything down below. That way if you guys are interested, you guys can get some for yourself. Now, before we start this video, I have a very special goal we have to reach. So I'm doing a goal of 500 subscribers, and if we do reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So please make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, that way you get notified every time I upload. And of course, don't forget to leave a like down below. So without further ado, let's get on started with this video. Guys, so to start off is this pillow. Now this pillow was from Ross. It was $9.99, and it is a nice blue that has it's very soft and very comfy. Now this is a very cute little chair to add that pop of color to. Now I originally was going to get a white one, but I decided that the blue was going to add a nice little touch. So if you do ever need a nice pillow, go to Ross because they're cheap, they're cute, and they're so comfy. This chair was from hayneedle.com. It was $64.09, and I got a pretty good deal on it. And the best part is it's so cute because it has a gold base on the bottom. Now the gold base ties in so cute with the acrylic top base of it. Now the acrylic seat is so cute itself, and I just decided to get it because I thought it was so unique that it was a nice little touch of gold with a nice clear top. And I think the pillow goes well with it because it just mixes in with my room, but that little dynamic of knitting gold, it is so cute and I love it. Now if you guys don't know, I got some new lights for Christmas. Now these lights I'm going to be widely using a lot in my new videos, so you guys are going to be seeing a lot of these lights very much on DIYs. So these lights are going to be used for DIYs sometimes, but they're also going to be used for my main intros and outros. So these are nice little soft boxes or light umbrellas, and they do very good jobs at lighting. Now I also have a ring light that also does a very awesome job at lighting as well, but I decided to add some more lights to the family because I think the ring light was getting a little lonely. So I added 3 new family members, and they are very happy together. So basically you guys are going to be seeing them a lot. Well, you're going to be seeing the lighting a lot, but you won't see them. So they'll be behind the camera, and they'll just be doing a great job. That way you guys get quality videos from them, so you guys can thank them. Now also, one of my new things is my background. Now you guys know I asked for this for Christmas. Now I did get it for Christmas, but it got lost in transit, so we had to contact them, and they ended up sending it back, and we got the right address, so it was good and we were all good to go. But I think it looks so cute with fairy lights, and I did a little sneak peek of a new DIY coming soon. You guys are gonna love it, and seriously, I'm so excited to get back into DIYs. I missed them so much, and I think you guys have missed them too. I was supposed to do a DIY video this week, but these things are more important, but we're gonna get back into those soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed my new setup, and I will be linking everything down below to where I got it from, most of them. Now I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like down below, and of course comment on what DIY you want to see next, or what little ideas you want to see next. Now I love you all so very much, and I look forward to reading your comments. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all so very much. Mwah! Bye!